So I'm over here cleaning out my 3-door coop. There's been a squirrel nesting his walnuts in here. I'm digging them out from under the seat. And this guy chewed through the vents. And there's actually a whole walnuts up in there. You know, I get all the way through the whole car and took out the blanket that they chewed up in the back seat. And then what do we have here? This is a damn mess. Look, here's even his uneaten ones, cleverly stuffed away in this satchel. Been going at this for a minute now, and this squirrel's got all the way up in here. Not only does he have this here filled up, but he was packed all the way up in here, all the way in these wires. There's still stuff up there. There's probably stuff in this crate way up in there. This Folgers can is all the way full. And then I'm still working on getting what was back here and whatever might be in there. And there was a box that some of this wiring kits and this kind of stuff was in that he chewed through and had a nest up in there apparently. Had chewed all my blankets up to make it in there. Yeah, he fucking did. Here's all the carpet out of my car. That shit's a mess. Bro got walnuts all the way up in here. Everywhere but the battery.